Hi everyone, welcome to WPL Club. In this video, we will be showing you how you can undo changes in WordPress using post revisions. If you are anyone who is learning or is interested in WordPress, please hit the subscribe button right below because we post everything related to WordPress. Now let me get started with the tutorial. Here I have a post that has been written, and in order to go to post revisions, click on edit. You'll reach this page in which you can edit your post. Here on the right hand side corner you can see revisions, and here you can click on browse. Once you do that, you'll be reaching to this screen, and here you can see all the revisions you have made in different time periods, and they will be signified with the colors red and green. So here you can see all the revisions you have made, and in order to restore a particular revision, for example, I want to restore this revision, you can click on restore this revision, and then you'd be done. Your revision would be restored. The revision you want to will come back. So this is how you can undo changes in WordPress with post revisions. It's pretty simple. If you like this video, please hit this like button below. Share this video with all your WordPress enthusiastic friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. You can also go to wpl.club to learn WordPress or to know more about WordPress related contents. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.